and welcome to this week's 2-minute art hack. What have we got for you today? Well, today it's all about rolling back to the basic shapes. So all art can be formed by basically four, if you include a little bit of a variation, shapes. You've got a circle, you have a triangle, you have a square and a rectangle. That's basically it. You can create those into three-dimensional forms and get a sphere, a cone and a box. And those are your basic building blocks. So don't feel a little bit like, there's all these things that make a painting special. You break it all down and then layer up. So for example, the little cute kitten, 3 circles, a rectangle, a triangle, will then create a cute kitten. It starts with the basic shapes and then you evolve those shapes using shading to create three-dimensional effect and texture to create things like fur, even when you're doing little sketching. So people sketching, one of my favorite things if you've been on one of my workshops. Circle, rectangle, triangle. And from there, you can start sketching little individual people, which is great for urban sketching and when you're outdoors. So remember, practice shading those shapes and looking for shapes in everything. And believe me, those shapes build up everything, even from your hand, which is circles, and it's like a square shape for your palm, to all the things. Noses, which is a workshop I'll be doing very shortly. 3 circles, kind of like an M shape, and a rectangle. Take it all back to basic shapes and that will help improve your art immensely. So follow me, come to some of my online live workshops, they're super fun, or join me in the academy and I'll see you again soon. Bye.